Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to hide a video on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this, enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now what we will do is go to Library, which we are in. Locate a video that we wish to hide. Highlight the video. This can be a portrait or landscape video. That's fine. Highlight, right click, hide the video. And then we have a prompt on screen that says hide one video. This item will be hidden from all places in your library but can be found in the hidden album. So let's click on hide. As you can see now that video has been completely removed from the library. So how do we locate that if we ever need to? Let's go to view. Go to show hidden photo album, and then we have a new album that pops up within photos. Click on this and then we have that video that was hidden in plain sight available on screen via an alternative route. So we can now go back to library, we can now quit photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.